Hello, so we're gonna be doing a screen recording today, and just gonna go to TikTok, show y'all what I have. I have a bunch of, I have some games for my little sisters. I have Snapchat. I have the normal stuff. Let's go to TikTok and see what all's there.
3 birthdays without him. He never even sent me a damn card. Josh, you don't want to go play any basketball? What about... Okay, let's get one. Open up. It's the police. No. Why not? You guys are gonna yell at me.
I once got in a huge fight with my mom, and I told her, I'm running away. Most kids would pack a bag. I put my hair up in a hat. I put on all my boyish clothes, and I left. Smart. Hold on. I've done this a few times before. I was a new man. I had left. I was safe. Naturally, I called my friend, and I was like, let's walk around town. We were walking around town, and then I saw a police officer, and he pulled over, and he looked at me. He said, he held up this picture of me, and he said, have you seen this girl? And I was like,
What?